Hello, my fabulous people. Do you want to find out why you need to hire your children or a family member in your business to get your money back and build your wealth? Stay tuned. Well, hello, my fabulous people. I am Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. On my channel, I share things as it relates to wealth building, financial management, and different job opportunities that you can begin to create additional streams of income. That's right, additional streams of income. So today I just want to share with you why you need to hire your children in your home-based business. If you have not done so, at the end of this video, make sure you go ahead and head on over and watch that video so you can see the benefits and why it is so important. Oh my gosh, it is so important, so essential that you start a home-based business, because as I said, if you ever heard before, there are 475 tax deductions that are available for home-based business. That means a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC. So let's get into hiring your children. Now, according to IRS publication 15, there is no age limit on hiring your children. That is what I said. That is what I said. That's what I said. And I'm going to link that below so you can see that there is no age limit. So what does that mean? So this is time where you're so innovative and creative. You're like, how can I hire an infant to be in my home-based business? Well, you can hire your infant to be a model in your home-based business. That is correct. You can hire your toddler to be a model. As they get older, you're starting to teach them different chores. They can help you with paperwork as they get older. And in another video, I'll be more specific and details on some different tasks and duties on ways you can hire your children and the proper way to set that up. That is correct. Now, this is the thing. When you hire your children in your home-based business, IRS, an IRS publication, it says the amount that you can hire them up to, the amount that the income they can earn without having to be subject to any type of taxes is $12,200 per child. Get your money back. And so when you do that, okay, and there are certain things that has to be done in order for that to happen. When you do that, that means that you can get a deduction if you have multiple children. For example, I have 3 children and I hire them in my home-based business. And so that means I can pay my children up to $12,200 per child, which is a total of $36,600 that I can get back in tax deductions. It is nothing new. This is not nepotism whatsoever. It is not illegal. And I'm also going to link the SBA article that talks about why you need to hire your children in your home-based business. Okay, so this is, I mean, if you don't do any other tax deduction, this is a big one. This is a big one. So whether you say, I don't have any kids, well, you can hire your niece, you can hire your nephew, you can hire whoever, you can even hire your parents. All right, and this is a tax benefit to you. But today I'm just talking about children, but it is in there. So if the child is under 18 years or under, they are not subject to the tax. They're not subject to any tax, and they're not subject to any tax. If you pay them up to the $12,200. Now, if they're older and they get paid, you pay them a little bit more, they are subject, but however, they're still not subject depending on what they've earned. Plus, you've helped them to start their own little home-based business too, so they can get some back tax benefits. And as I said, in the next video, I'll get a little detail as far as how that needs to look at according to the different ages. That's the next video. Also, your child, they're not subject to any labor laws as long as you are not putting them in any harm's way. If you want to work them 2 o'clock in the morning, you can do that. Yes, you can, because they are not under any labor laws, no restrictions whatsoever. Now, as your child is earning this wonderful income that you are getting a tax deductible So all that money that you're paying for diapers for your toddler or daycare, they can get it, you can get it back. So this is a great way to start teaching your children financial literacy and financial management. That is correct. Teaching them financial literacy and financial management. And these kids, don't knock it. You're like, oh, they're too young. Listen, if they can learn some of these crazy songs in less than two, they can learn about money. And they do. And let's say this, we also know that kids catch on to the money game. They know that money makes the world go round. They know when they're like, can I have? They start begging and asking. They understand. So don't feel like it's too young. It's never too young whatsoever. You start now. Now, this is the other thing. Now that your child is earning an income, do you know what this means? That means that they are able to begin saving for their retirement. What? Yes. There is no limit on when a child can open up, or you actually can help open up an IRA savings, a retirement account for your children. That is correct. You do not. That's right. There is no age limit. So if they make up to $12,000, that is how much they can have it. That is their limit, and so forth. 4,000, whatever. But there is no age limit on when. So if they are 3 years old, they're working, they're their model, they're having the little pictures, you have a sign with them. You have hired your child. You've hired your child, and you are getting your money back. So thank you so much for joining. If you look below, I've shared some information on different webinars and some books that you can go ahead and utilize, watch them, soak that information in, because they are priceless. My mentor, Dr. Lynn Richardson and Sandy Bakken, I've been listening to them and just really holding in on this and how to really be able to work smarter and not harder, and also build a financial legacy, build wealth for myself and for my family and for their families and so forth. But we have to know how to play the game, and then we can play the game right and in order. And that information is there, and I'm telling you. All right, so go ahead and click on those links below. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment and share. Tell me, what business do you have? And tell me as well if you hire your children. Okay, so make sure you leave those comments below. And as like I always say, remember to pray. Remember to pray, plan, and believe, because God is still in the business of doing miracles. Bye, my fabulous people, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.